everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am back with another crochet stitch tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to crochet the pike stitch. It is a really simple beginner level stitch. It is a 1 row repeat. Okay, so it is super basic. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do the extended single crochet, which is the main stitch used in this pattern. You can see it almost looks like Tunisian crochet, which almost looks like knitting, but it's not. It's crochet, I promise. This basic stitch stretches pretty well, in my opinion, so it'd be good for mesh patterns and summer projects, which is great as we approach the hottest month of the year, at least where I live. So grab your crochet hook and some yarn and dive into this stitch with me. Today I'm going to start off with a slip knot, and I'm going to chain in an odd increment, so why not go by threes? I think I'm going to do 15 and then add an additional 2 for a total of 17. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 10, 16 and 17. Alright, for row 1, we are going to create an extended single crochet into the 5th chain from our hook. So, I'm all the way zoomed in. So, what we're going to do is we're going to count, not the loop on our hook, that's adjustable, but we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and what we're going to do is insert our hook into that 5th chain. We're going to yarn over, pull up a loop. We're going to yarn over, pull through that first loop. There's 2 loops on our hook, and we're going to yarn over and pull through both of those. And that is an extended single crochet. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we are going to chain 1. We're going to skip the next chain, and we're going to make an extended single crochet in the next, and that is our repeat for row 1. So we're going to insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. There's 2 loops on our hook. Going to yarn over, pull through 1 loop, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Okay, all the way across. Skip 1. Alright, now I'm here at the last 2 stitches of my row, so I'm going to skip this next chain, and I'm going to work an extended single crochet into this last chain. And that is row 1. For row 2, we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to turn our work. Now, what we're going to do is we are not going to work into this first extended single crochet. Instead, we are going to work into this next extended single crochet with an extended single crochet. Now, you might be asking yourself, how the heck do I work into this, Infiniti? And in order to work into it, you are just going to go between this long vertical bar here and this cluster of loops. You're just going to slip your hook in there, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, and that's all there is to that. Now you're going to chain 1, you're going to skip the next chain space, and you're going to work directly into the extended single crochet with an extended single crochet all the way across. Alright, and for row 2, when you reach the end, you're going to hit this turning chain that you created when you first did your initial row. So all you're going to do is, after you've made that last extended single crochet, is you're going to chain 1, and you're going to create an extended single crochet into that third loop up, or the third chain up. So from the bottom, it's 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to insert your hook there, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And that is the end of row 2. And that is our repeat. In order to move on, you would just continue to repeat row 2 over and over again until you reached your desired length of your project. And eventually you'll get a piece of fabric that does look like this one. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If so, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on future crochet content from me. I post these types of tutorials on Sundays at 9:30 a.m. CST. You can join me over on my website. Sign up for the newsletter so you don't miss out on future updates from Infiniti Crafting Co. If you're a seasoned crocheter and or knitter, and you want to support my content, I recently launched a membership program over on my website where I release all of my knitting and crochet designs. I put out 2 per month. This month's projects include my nearly solid shawl pattern, as well as my tutorial and written notes about how to knit socks on the Centro knitting machine and then hand knit the heel and graft the toes. So if that sounds like a cool deal to you, head on over there today and sign up. I will leave the link to that program in the description box below. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time guys, happy making.